Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to introduce you to the Fusion Wi-Fi USB digital handheld microscope, a revolutionary new product that will take your magnification and exploration to the next level. This 4K 3840x2160P portable microscope is perfect for kids, students, engineers, and anyone who needs to explore the micro world. It's compatible with iOS iPhone, iPad, Android phone and tablet, Mac, Windows XP 7, 8, 10, 11, Linux, and Chrome OS, so you can use it wirelessly on your mobile device or connect it to your PC. With 8 bright LED lights and adjustable focus and brightness, you can get a clear and detailed view of circuit boards, coins, jewelry, skin, insects, and more. The zoom in buttons allow for 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, 1.82. 0x magnification on your phone and tablet. Thanks to the new generation Wi-Fi chip, it offers high-definition video wireless transfer on phones with no lag, and it comes with an exclusively designed stable stand. Don't miss out on the chance to explore the micro world in stunning 4K resolution. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Fusion Wi-Fi USB digital handheld microscope now. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews and demos. Thanks for watching.